Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the backup plan Back Bling in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw the head of the bomb first. So it's just going to be one line across, straight down, and then we're going to curve out. Just kind of draw in almost like a little triangle, but a little bit rounded. And then let's draw in the face so we know where we are. So just draw in another, almost like a little triangle in here. And I'll make it a little bit thicker so we can see what we're drawing. Okay, and then we're gonna draw in the teeth. So for the teeth, we're just gonna zigzag back and forth until we reach all the way to the bottom. And then now for the head, so it's just gonna be another triangle. And I'm just gonna shade in so we can see a little circle in there. Okay, so that's gonna be the head. So now let's move on to the rest. So here, this line here, we're just gonna extend it. Just come down a little bit more. And then we're gonna draw in a rectangle here. So this is gonna be one of the straps. And we're drawing a little circle here for the buckle. And then now we're gonna draw in the rest of the bomb. So this part's a little bit tricky. From this one, we're just gonna slant down. And then from this part here, we're just gonna slant up. Okay, so once we have that, we're just gonna close it off. And then we're gonna draw another strap. So this strap is gonna end at the same place down here. So we're gonna come down until we reach to this point here. We're gonna extend up slightly on this one. Come across, and then we're just gonna draw another strap. Okay, and then again, we'll draw a little circle there. And then now we're gonna extend this bomb even more, so we're drawing the tail now. So we're gonna continue this line down, up, until you get to the end and you just kind of close it off. Okay, and then that's probably the trickiest part. So after this, let's draw in the little, I guess, fins on the back. So we just flare it out. And then we're gonna come back and then just kind of close it. So same thing here, just go back and then just close it. And then for some details, we can add in, there's gonna be a line here, different color. Okay, so that's the bomb itself. So now let's draw in the rest. So let's go up first, and we're just gonna draw in. So right around here, we're just gonna go up. And right around here, we're just gonna go straight up. We're gonna come in with a slant, come down. So those are gonna be the straps. And then here we're gonna just close it off. Okay, so once we're in here, now we gotta draw in some detail. There's some kind of rod in here. So right here, we just draw in, it's gonna be 2 squares. And then now we're just gonna draw a line between them, just kind of connect them, and then just draw another one. So that's gonna be 1 rod. And then we're gonna come around here, curve it, just go straight down. So this part we're just gonna curve out, come straight down. Okay, same thing here. So we're gonna come down, and then this one's gonna come out and come down. So that's just 1 rod going all the way around. Okay, and we can add in, now let's draw in the stuffs on the bottom first. So here there's gonna be 3 pockets. So we're gonna start with this one here. So we're gonna start, just kind of come down, and then this one we're gonna come across right around here. Okay, and then we're gonna come down, just kind of pinch it in slightly, slant, and then just close it off. And then there's gonna be a strap in the middle, so we're just gonna draw in 2 lines. And then there's gonna be another one here. So we're gonna draw another one, come across. Just kind of come down. And it's supposed to be cloth, so it doesn't have to be all that straight. So come down again and close it off. And then the strap's gonna be up here for this pocket here. Add a little detail, and then there's gonna be just another shape in here. And then just kind of curve it and just close it off. Okay, so the space in between, we just draw in another one. So we just kind of connect that. Slant down. Okay, and let's add in, I'm just gonna add in another line here so that it looks like it's separated. Okay, and then for this one, it's just gonna be a little detail in here. So now let's draw in the, there's another bomb over here. So in this one, we're just gonna curve up and then curve down. And then we can actually come and close it off because there's gonna be some stripes here. And then now we're gonna come down, just kind of slant in, and we're just gonna come straight across. So it's kind of behind the little pocket there. And then now let's draw in, there's gonna be another one of those fins here. And you can erase that mark if you like. And then here on the side, we just gotta draw another shape. And then some detail here. And then now there's gonna be some stripes, so we just gotta continue this. So this is one stripe and then one more here for the tip. Okay, so that's the other bomb, and let's see, there's gonna be another pouch here, and this one's a little tricky. So this one we're gonna come out, gonna curve, and then we're just gonna curve it in. And now right here in the corner, we're gonna come out, just draw another curve. So it's almost the same curves as this one. Just come across, and then we just gonna draw two more curves in there, the same as the other one that we've already drawn. And then there's gonna be a little buckle here. Okay, so now let's draw in, there's gonna be another bomb here, but this one you can only see the fin, so we're gonna come out, angle all the way in, so come out, it's gonna go all the way in, and then for the details, just drawing some lines. Okay, so now let's finish up the backpack with, there's a little bit of shape in here. So if you take the middle point here, just make a little dot. I'm gonna flare this one out. Okay, past this line, and then just come straight down. And then for this one, we're gonna go out again, same thing. Past this line, and then we're just gonna come down. And then for here, we're gonna continue this line here. We're gonna come down, just kind of close that off. Same thing here. Okay, and then for this one, we're just gonna come down here, and then we're just gonna go all the way across. So it's another panel. And that is it for this back bling. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.